might be the best one of the day. Ooh. Not a bad one. All right. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Max Extremely Fishing Outdoors. Looks like I'm out in the middle of a forest, and I am. I'm at Duke Forest. I'm not going to tell you what entrance I'm at, just because y'all need to put in some work. But anyway, we're headed, going down here. There's pickerel in here, chain pickerel, some nice brim. There's suckers in here, there's a few carp. There's some nice bass for this size stream. So anyway, I got 2 rods. I bought a little bitty trout net. That's just for the pickerel, in case I catch a chain pickerel, jack, we call them here in North Carolina. But anyway, let's see what happens. Let's hopefully we catch a few nice fish in this small creek. They put a new bridge right here. That's a lot of money on that bridge. Hey guys, I've never seen it this low. Stay. I'll try to put some old clips in and see the normal water level. Stay. Guys, Mowgli found a box turtle. He's sitting down here actually in the water. It's so hot and dry. Pretty smart turtle actually. Got one. Not a bad one. That one, a fish right there. We got him. Bring him up here. Pick him up.
I'll see him.
Redbreast. Good job, honey.
Yep. Let me get him off.
Yeah. Here, just hold them. There you go. Okay, good job. Let's try again. Oh, got him. Got him. Another redbreast. Another little redbreast. And this thing's barely moving. Got him. I'm gonna get him up. Look, honey. You could get the thing out.
Sorry, I was getting muddy water.
Like pier fishing. Like pier fishing. That might be the best one of the day. Have to do the drum drop here. He's good. I saw him swim off. Alright, keep it on.